Welcome back to Metro Rail Blog. Today we will be showing you how Kolkata Metro is digging a metro tunnel under another metro tunnel without using a tunnel boring machine. Yes, we, the owners of Metro Rail Blog, directly went inside the under construction East-West Metro tunnel at Esplanade to capture the videos of tunneling work just for you guys. Now, you know that we are not from any television media houses, and being just ordinary YouTubers with a few thousands of subscribers, it is quite challenging for us to go inside a restricted area of Kolkata Metro and capture videos for you. It's absolutely not easy. So we request you from the bottom of our heart to support our work by sharing this video and subscribing to our channel. It's a matter of weeks for us to make a single video of this type and cover these tunnels and construction works in our videos with all kinds of allowance from Metro. So please share this video and reach us up to your known ones. If you stay in Kolkata, you probably know that the under construction East-West Metro will be passing underneath the existing North-South Metro at Esplanade. During the construction of the North-South Metro in 1970s, dozens of steel bars, which Metro authorities call H-piles, were pushed into the soil. Now some sources say that H-piles were used to prevent the collapse of the walls of existing Esplanade station, whereas some others say that H-piles were used to support a temporary bridge which was made above the cut-and-cover tunnels of North-South Metro to keep the junction of Chowrangi Road and Rani Rashmani Road moving at Esplanade. After lots of research, we really don't know why actually the H-piles were used. So, please forgive us. The East-West Metro from Howrah Maidan to Sector 5 was originally planned to intersect North-South corridor at Central. Knowing this, during the construction of the North-South Metro in 1970s, the H-piles weren't taken out of the soil because nobody knew that East-West Metro will be realigned to Esplanade instead of Central. The elevated portion of East-West Metro from Sector 5 to Salt Lake Stadium is already complete and under trials now. We, Metro Rail Blog, even took a joyride of that Metro. If you haven't seen the videos yet, you may click on the I button on the top right corner of the screen and watch them. The construction of 3-kilometer twin tunnels on the underground section from Salt Lake Stadium to Shialda was completed by 2013. By mid-2018, another 3.8-kilometer twin tunnel from Howrah Maidan to Esplanade, including a 520-meter section under the Hooghly River, was completed. Now, tunnels on the remaining 2-kilometer section from Shialda to Esplanade was left to be bridged. From 2012 to 2015, everything was changed. The crucial section of the line in the heart of the city was totally realigned. This needed a lot of sanctions of the government, and the Metro needed to plan everything. By late 2017, all preliminary works for the tunneling of the last section of Esplanade to Shialda were started. That is, when KMRC found out that multiple odd H-piles used to support the construction of India's first metro in 1970s are still present in the soil and are blocking the proposed alignment of East-West Metro's tunnel. Without removing these H-piles, the tunnel boring machines could not be launched towards Shialda from Esplanade. Even after solving all encroachment problems on the line, the future of East-West Metro went into dark because removal of the H-piles is extremely dangerous since the operation needs to be done just a few meters under the operating North-South Metro. In every few minutes, a train passes over the site, and it's impossible to stop the operations of the trains on the existing line. After lots of research and consultation, finally ITD Cementation Joint Venture, the construction company engaged in tunneling works along with the Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation, decided to use a highly sophisticated system to remove the H-piles. Experts term this system as New Austrian Tunneling Method, or NATM. According to the plan, a pilot tunnel of 3 meters in diameter is being dug using a small excavator from TBM launching shaft under Curzon Park up to the H-piles that are marked to be removed. Once the H-piles are removed, the pilot tunnel will be again filled up with soft concrete and the tunnel boring machines towards Shialda will be launched. Finally, on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, KMRC started up the procedure. NATM is a highly complex form of tunneling, and it is known to be a challenging task in clay soil like Kolkata. The Hooghly River is just a kilometer away from the site, and there is continuous dripping water inside the tunnel. With the help of KMRC, Metro Rail Blog has put a lot of effort to bring exclusive footages of the NATM tunnel just for the viewers like you. We ourselves went inside the NATM tunnel, watched how swiftly KMRC is removing the H-piles without hampering the operations of Noapada Kobi Subhash Metro Corridor 8 meters above. Please share this video and appreciate our work. We started our journey from Esplanade shaft. Wearing safety jackets and helmets, Metro Rail Blog geared up to go to 27 meters deep into the soil. The Esplanade Esplanade station is massive. The station box itself is 215 meters long and 5 stories deep. After we reached the platform level, we found 2 tunnel boring machines named Chandi and Urvi were kept facing towards Shialda. In between the alignment of the 2 TBMs, a clumsy small tunnel full of clay went straight towards the H piles. We, along with an ITD official, walked into the tunnel, and what we saw was outstanding. A group of few workers along with a small excavator was busy in removing the H piles. Total of 13 H piles are to be removed. Out of them, 7 have already been removed and the 8th one was kept all exposed into the tunnel. While entering the tunnel, we noticed that a diaphragm wall of the existing Esplanade metro station has been marked in red, and they have also used a coat of yellow to mark the tracks of the north-south metro running above. We hardly felt any kind of vibrations because the speed of the trains running above have been restricted to just 10 kmph. We found that KMRC has already filled up a branch tunnel with soft concrete and are currently moving towards more H piles by boring another branch tunnel. We stood there for 10 to 15 minutes and witnessed every single thing they are doing. We were told that within a week they will remove all H piles and within another week they will fill up the tunnel with soft concrete. Probably by February the TBMs will be launched and they should complete the tunneling up to Shialda by mid-2019. Regarding the Esplanade station, they have excavated up to the first floor. 4 more are left to be excavated though. In case of Howrah station, they have recently completed excavations up to the platform level. The Howrah Maidan station is already structurally complete, and by 2020 all stations from Shialda to Howrah Maidan will be structurally ready. KMRC has taken an ambitious target of June 2021 to run commercial service on the entire line. We are pretty sure that they will be able to meet it. From Sector 5 to Salt Lake Stadium, you will get a metro by early 2019, and by Puja 2019 you should get it up to Fulbagan. It's a matter of weeks to bring such coverages of metro construction being done inside restricted areas, and we from Metro Rail Blog face many challenges to bring this type of videos to you. Please appreciate our work by sharing this video with your known ones and subscribing our channel. This will encourage us to bring more videos like coverages of more underground stretches and most importantly the trial runs of metro inside tunnels. If we get enough support from you guys on this particular video and if we get positive feedbacks, we will try to cover the underground station of Fulbagan and Shialda. Thanks for watching. Again, requesting you to subscribe the channel and share this video. Have a nice day.